If you need a pin pad installed on your wrought iron gate, this is what they look like. We use these from Borg. Oops. This one is a double-sided pin pad. When you install these, you have to have a J-bolt hinge system. This is what J-bolts look like. It's a bolt that runs all the way through the gate end. Basically, it allows you to adjust this gate horizontally, and that's to make this gap over here fit perfect. This is a little security mechanism, so you can't just stick your finger there and open the latch bar. That's what they look like.